Solo travel for women over 60 begins with overcoming mental barriers. Studies show that 68% of senior female travelers cite safety as their top concern. Start by researching destinations and visualizing success. Create a checklist of goals from cultural immersion to relaxation. Statistics reveal that 80% of women who plan thoroughly report higher trip satisfaction. Embrace a growth mindset. Solo travel boosts confidence and independence. Practical tip: join online forums like Women Traveling Alone for peer advice. Choosing safe destinations requires data-driven decisions. Prioritize countries with low crime rates and robust healthcare. Japan and Iceland rank highest for senior solo travelers. Use tools like the Global Peace Index and CDC travel advisories. A 2023 survey showed 75% of women over 60 prefer English-speaking countries for easier communication. Cross-reference travel blogs and government sites for real-time updates. Pro tip: avoid destinations with level 3 to 4 travel warnings and inadequate senior mobility access. Structure your itinerary to minimize risks. Schedule activities between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. when streets are busiest. UN Women reports 90% of harassment occurs after dark. Book guided tours from reputable companies. They reduce vulnerability by 40%. Allocate extra time for rest to avoid fatigue-related mistakes. Include safe spots like embassies and police stations on your map. Example: a Lisbon itinerary might feature morning museum visits and pre-booked afternoon tuk-tuk tours ending by sunset. Your packing list is your first line of defense. Essential items include a loud whistle, 130 dB sound can deter attackers, RFID blocking pouch prevents digital theft, and a portable door alarm. Medical supplies should cover prescriptions plus antidiarrheals. 20% of senior travelers report needing them. Choose clothing with hidden pockets. Concealed money belts reduce pickpocketing risk by 60%. Test all gadgets beforehand. Pro tip: pack a photocopy of your passport separate from the original. Situational awareness prevents 70% of travel incidents, according to security experts. Practice the OODA loop. Observe, scan for exits, orient, note unusual behavior, decide, choose action, act. Avoid distractions. 62% of thefts occur when victims use phones maps. Take a self-defense class. AARP reports seniors who do feel 3x more confident. Trust your intuition. If a street feels unsafe, leave immediately. Role-play scenarios like overly persistent vendors before your trip. Transport risks drop 85% with planning. Use apps like Uber or Bolt for tracked rides. Verify license plates before entering. Trains are statistically safest. Opt for daytime first class with CCTV. Avoid empty subway cars. Target ones with families or business people. Research local scams, e.g. fake meters in taxis. Data shows pre-booking airport transfers reduces nighttime vulnerability. Always share live location with a contact. Example: in Rome, the 64 bus route is both scenic and well-patrolled. Hotels with 24/7 front desks reduce break-in risks by 90%. Book floors 3 to 6, high enough to deter intruders but accessible for evacuation. Check reviews for phrases like well-lit entrance or responsive staff. Test door locks immediately. 30% of hotel thefts occur due to faulty hardware. Use a portable door jammer for added security. Pro tip: Airbnbs should have multiple verified reviews and no isolated locations. The Hilton Honors app offers senior discounted rooms with safety guarantees. Set clear boundaries without apology. When approached, use closed body language, crossed arms, no eye contact. Prepare polite exit lines. I'm meeting my group soon. Avoid sharing lodging details. 35% of targeted crimes start with oversharing. Wear minimalist jewelry to reduce attention. Data shows pretending to text someone deters 80% of harassers. In markets, carry small bills separately to avoid flashing your wallet. Remember, friendliness doesn't equal obligation. Prepare for worst-case scenarios. Save local emergency numbers under ICE in case of emergency. 112 works EU-wide. Know embassy locations. Register with STEP for crisis alerts. Share a daily check-in plan with family. Pack a local SIM card. Roaming fails in 25% of emergencies. Practice saying help in the local language. The Red Cross recommends learning the international distress signal, 3 shouts, whistles. Example: in Bangkok, store the tourist police number, 1155, and hospital addresses in your phone notes. Each successful trip compounds self-reliance. Journaling reflections boosts confidence. Note moments like navigating a subway alone. Start with short trips. 65% of senior solo travelers begin with 4-day getaways. Celebrate small wins, whether ordering food in another language or declining unwanted help. Statistics show women over 60 who travel solo report 40% higher life satisfaction. Plan your next adventure while momentum is high. Confidence is the ultimate travel essential.